Cleaning a wool rug from Urine Odor by PetPeePee. Simple and clear. I built and I invented a cleaning product and a cleaning process that's guaranteed in writing the removal of urine odor. I don't use all the carpet cleaner equipment such as scrubber, centrifuge machine. I don't use all the 9-step cleaning process. I use one step and one machine and one natural cleaning product from the Dead Sea that I invented. You cannot buy it in a store because I make it from scratch. One of a kind cleaning product that changed the way how the industry of the carpet cleaner working. No more soap, deodorize, and chemical smell upon delivery. Clean. Wool. Is the rug made from wool? You smell wool. Guarantee in writing. Never deodorizer. I receive on a daily basis rugs from all over the globe. From Saudi Arabic, from Bahrain, Dubai. Some of them even say to me, "We know you are Israeli that came to America, but your machine, it's a one of a kind. And we will pay all the shipping from whatever it is all the way to you because we know for sure the color will never run. The rug will come back to me clean and odor-free." A nice gentleman from Egypt say to me, "I read your reviews and I saw maybe 50 videos of yours of PetPeePee, and I'm simply amazed with the technology that you invented. I cleaned the Oriental rug through the rug. All the cleaner it's on the top, the vacuum from under the rug extract everything through the rug and send all the dirty water to the sewage. And on the way to the sewage, I can see in the tube what is in the rug. And when the tube is clear, I finish the cleaning process." PetPeePee. A cleaning process that makes sense. A cleaning process that's promised you, that's guaranteed upon delivery. No trace of unpleasant odor. And this is what you pay me for, and this is what you receive. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Stay tuned and see how to fold Oriental rug for shipping. Thank you very much. My name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee Company. PetPeePee. Thank you for watching. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee. My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.